equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the HP 15 SFQ 5045 NS laptop. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the essential steps to diagnose and fix common issues. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. First, gather your tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, thermal paste, and a soft cloth. These will be crucial for the repair process. Begin by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. It's important to ensure safety before you start. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This will prevent any accidental power-ups during the repair. Now, let's focus on the screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you might have missed. With the back panel off, you'll have access to the internal components. Here, you can check for dust buildup, which can cause overheating. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This is a crucial step to ensure your laptop runs smoothly. If you find that the thermal paste on the CPU is dried out, it's a good idea to replace it. Clean the old paste with a soft cloth and apply a new layer of thermal paste. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Next, check the RAM and hard drive connections. Ensure they are securely seated in their slots. If you suspect a faulty component, you can replace it with a new one. Make sure to handle all components with care to avoid static damage. Once you've completed your checks and any necessary replacements, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned properly before tightening the screws. Before you power it back on, take a moment to ensure that no tools or loose screws are left inside the laptop. This is a common mistake that can lead to further issues. Now, plug in your laptop and power it on. If everything has gone well, your laptop should boot up without any issues. If you encounter problems, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Finally, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. No calls, no travel, just a simple, efficient service to get your laptop back in working order. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope it has been helpful in guiding you through the repair process. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.